Hello friend. So how are you? I hope you will be good. So today again I have come with a new video. How to make four color circle, and also I tell you how to make four color circle. So you can make very easily mm, mm, four color circle. So I am Arjit and now you are watching expert coding. So today I tell you how to make four color circle. Let's go our desktop screen. So open your notebook here, notepad, and right here, import turtle. Right here, import turtle, import, import turtle. Yes, sure. And hit enter. Again import, again import color says, color color system, SCS, and hit enter. And here write sir a speed. How much speed you want to give here? I want to give a 10 speed and hit enter. And width here, width, width, 1 give here 1. And background color, so here I give background color BG, background color I want give here black. I think black, black. You another give here white, orange, red. Like I only give here black, and here I equal to 0. And here I put it for loop for I in range, for I in range. How much circle you want to make? I want to make 4 circle, so here give 4 and colon put hit enter. And here for or j, write j in range, j in range 100 time. You have circle on a screen 100 time, so I give 100 and hit enter. And here circle, so here color, color color cs dot cs dot hsb hyphen 2 hyphen 2 hyphen rgb in bracket. I give here h comma 1 comma 1 1 comma 1 double column and hit enter. Again here write circle, circle, circle. I give 10 plus 10 plus 1 into I into 1, then I into 1 and bracket, and then hit enter. In here h plus is equal to 0.01, 0.01 and hit enter. And here write the dot right, dot right. Here I want to give here 90 and you can give 60, 70, 80. I give 90, and here put it the height HIDET height to, and my program is completed. Sir, done. My program is successfully completed. Only 14-line program. And now I'm going to save the program. So let's save desktop screen. Here, for color, FOUR, for color circle, dot py, for color circle dot py, and enter. Open your command prompt. First cd desktop and cd python. Here python and file name for color circle dot py, and hit enter. And now making circle. So looking very good, and come. So mm, balloon type you, so you are watching balloon time. So I hope you are understood. So how much looking is very good. So I hope are you understood this program. If you think good video good or not, so you say in comment box. Thank you for watching.